Welcome to QuickBooks with Fredrick. Today, we will solve a full accounting question for Intellect Management Limited for September 2021. We will cover opening balances, transactions, trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Step 1. Opening balances as at September 1, 2021. The company had assets, staff van, premises, furniture, and office equipment. Cash was $158,200 and bank was $246,000. Debtors were overseas services and resource associates. Liabilities were MUGA and MUGA advocates and overdue rent. Always enter opening balances correctly in QuickBooks first. Step 2. September transactions. September 1st. Paid legal fees $140,000 and telephone $16,250 in cash. September 2nd. Invoiced Fredrick $480,000 for patent registration. September 3rd. Paid salaries $325,000 by check. September 4th. Contracted Terry products for $1,200,000 on credit. September 5th. Paid MUGA and MUGA $250,000 by check. September 6th. Received $200,000 from Fredrick by check. September 7th. Earned $280,000 for secretarial services by check. September 8th. Paid rent $200,000 by check. September 10th. Billed $622,000 by MUGA and MUGA for legal services. September 14th. Earned $1,200,000 from Terry products on credit. September 16th. Received $420,800 from resource and $600,000 from Terry by check. September 18th. Paid MUGA and MUGA $350,000 by check. Paid patent fees $120,000 in cash. September 26th. Bought office safe $140,000 by check. September 30th. Paid electricity $18,640 and water $12,420 in cash. Step 3. Trial balance. After posting all entries, run the trial balance report in QuickBooks. Total debits must equal total credits. This proves your entries are correct. Step 4. Profit and loss for September 2021. Total income. Patent fees $480,000. Secretarial $280,000. Product design $1,200,000. Total income equals $1,960,000. Total expenses. Legal $140,000. Telephone $16,250. Salaries $325,000. Investigation $1,200,000. Legal late $72,000. Rent $200,000. Secretarial $100,500. Patent $120,000. Electricity $18,640. Water $12,420. Total expenses equals $3,004,810. Net loss equals $1,044,810 shillings for September. Step 5. Balance sheet as at September 30th, 2021. Assets include cash, bank, debtors, fixed assets, and office safe. Liabilities include creditors and overdue rent. Equity is opening capital minus net loss of $1,044,810. Run the balance sheet report in QuickBooks for this date. Conclusion. We have completed the full accounting cycle. Review balances, record transactions, trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Accounting is about accuracy and order. Check back for more practical tutorials when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.